Hello traders, and you're welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. Before we get started, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. In this video, I am reviewing the rebate system for MT4. It's an expert advisor available on the MQL5 Marketplace. And starting with the Marketplace page, we can see that this EA is designed specifically for MetaTrader 4. And it is currently priced at 10 US dollars. The version shown here is 1.6 with the latest update released on May 24th, 2017. Looking at the description, the main concept behind this EA is quite different from many traditional automated systems. According to the developer, Rebate System performs a large number of trades with relatively small profit targets, with the objective of benefiting from trading rebates, which are partial spread returns, offered by some brokers. Now, the description explains that the EA operates using two grids, one for buy positions and one for sell positions. And then when one side enters a drawdown, the opposite grid can increase its lot size in an attempt to help offset that drawdown. Since this behavior is specifically described by the developer, it's an important part of understanding how the system is intended to function. The recommended default setup is for Euro USD, and the developer notes a minimum deposit of 3,000 units of the base currency. All right, 3,000 units of the account's base currency. Okay, so that's going to be 3,000 cents if it is a cent account, so maybe $3,000 if it's a dollar account, 3,000 pounds if it's a pounds account, right? So moving into the settings section, there are controls for opening the initial grid order, opening additional averaging orders, setting lot sizes, take profit targets, maximum grid trades, and lot multipliers. These parameters directly influence how aggressively the grid structure expands over time. Okay, the EA also includes break-even functionality. Users can define after which order in a series break-even protection becomes active, how much profit is required before activation, and where the stops should be placed relative to the break-even level. Okay, another notable feature is the locking system. The settings allow traders to define when the opposite grid begins increasing lot sizes and how large those locking positions can become. There is also a built-in news filter. According to the developer, its purpose is to reduce the risk of the EA becoming trapped in strong directional moves associated with major news releases. Users can filter high-impact news only, high and medium impact events, or all news categories. Now, let us move into the backtesting section. As we review the historical backtest results, we are looking at how this grid-based structure behaved during the tested period. The chart history may show periods where buy and sell grids were active simultaneously, along with situations where the locking mechanism became involved during drawdowns. But then let's quickly also look at the results displayed here on the page. I can see here 99% history quality. The total net profit here was over $15,000, and the total trades taken were 17,388. And out of that value, we have 13,269 as the profitable trades. That gave us 76.31% win rate. And then here I can see that the largest profit was 8,878.12. All right, it seems like this image is not really complete. Okay, let's head over to our strategy tester. Let's see how the rebate system EA performed on Euro USD on the H1 time frame using the every tick modeling. All right, so we are testing over the past 3 months, March 20th to June 20th, 2026. Looking at the report, I can see that from an initial deposit of $10,000, the total net profit was 331.72, and the total trades taken were 657, out of which 420 were profitable. So that gave us a 63.93% win rate. All right. And then I can see that the largest profit was 169.36, and the largest loss was 73.48, average profit 3.28, average loss 4.42. So that means that the average loss is bigger than the average profit, and it means that the average risk to reward ratio is bad. Okay, but then let's go turn on the visuals so that we can see this EA in action as well. All right. When analyzing historical testing performance for a system like this, longer testing periods become especially valuable because they can expose the EA to a wider range of market conditions, including trending and ranging conditions. I would still recommend running longer term testing yourself so you can gain a more complete picture of how the system behaves over time. Now, looking at the historical analysis, we can observe how trade series developed, how break-even functions affected open positions, and how the news filter may have influenced trading activity around economic events. But as always, historical backtest results should never be considered a guarantee of future performance. All right, results can vary significantly depending on lot sizing, broker execution, spreads, slippage, market conditions, account size, and user optimization choices. Overall, the rebate system EA for MT4 offers a grid-based trading approach with break-even management, lock-in functionality, and a built-in news filter. So, if you are considering this expert advisor, thorough testing and careful evaluation of the available settings are essential before you move to any live trading environment. And I will recommend that if you are testing it, you should test it maybe over a year, 2 years, or even more, so that you can capture a wider range of market conditions. So if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on your notifications for more valuable trading content. If you have also used this EA before, feel free to share your experience in the comments section below. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Happy trading.